Little OJ with OJ. Oh, that was the chair.
Okay. This is like a real video. You know, just not me just showing something. Well, I am showing something. Anywho, I've been working really hard on like these clone videos. So today I'm gonna show you 2 videos that I've made. Explain how I made them. I think they're pretty good. I think what I have to offer can help you. So this is what you're gonna need. This is what I needed. I had to write down everything. I have an idea book. I was about to grab it, but that idea book is helping with that light. So, a clean plate. In the videos I'm going to show you today, which my computer screen is right here, that's why I'm pointing this way. I needed a clean plate of just the chairs and the table. And then in the second video, I needed 2 clean plates of the chairs and the table, and the chairs and the table with the empty glasses. So, yeah. Let's get into it. So this is the first video.
I'm thirsty, bro. I need some water.
My acting. That's something that's really tough, especially when I'm by myself. I didn't have anyone to help me make these. I was by myself with no script. This is off that. I'm trying to remember what I said, at least for this one, right? Dialogue's pretty sweet.
Why it tastes like that?
Pretty funny. But as you can see, I set the bottle, I grab it, right? To the next one.
Bro, where is he at?
I've been waiting. You know, I'm getting impatient.
Yo.
If you actually look at the right glass, you see all the pulp in it. Bro, I did a whole take and I did not record. I was very upset with myself.
It's a nice morning.
And I felt like that was a good take. Like, probably even better than the one you seen.
I respect it.
But
open this OJ?
for this clip especially, the clean plate was very important.
Yeah, give me some.
So the right side is just a regular video, and the left side is actually I masked around my body, and even the chair as well.
Thank you.
So having that clean plate for what's about to happen, me picking it up, I have that clean plate right around where that glass was sitting. So right when I touched the glass, I added the mask around the glass. So that clean plate was right behind it. And the camera never moved, so it just looks seamless. And it's really good. That was the chair. It really was. So, I have more stuff on here that I was just gonna show essentially the process, how it looked. But if you know the basics, camera can't move. You know, if you're outside like I was, you gotta be kind of quick, because there's been some times where I'm like, oh, I messed up, I gotta redo it again, and then the sun's moving, so the clips don't look the same when you bring it into the editor. One is brighter than the other, you can't really use it, so you gotta just kind of reshoot. And I took a lot of shoots doing this, you know, so but yeah, that's pretty much it. If I have some stuff, I'll show it if I think it'll benefit, but the way I explained it I think is okay. Not the best, could be better, but hey. But just to recap, write down everything you'll need, from equipment to props to shots. Clean plate, very important. Clean plate in acting too, I feel like will really bring it together. I don't think I'm gonna post this video on like Instagram, just because I feel like my acting was a little and I just made a long form content for people that really appreciate something like this. They'll watch it. So, and that's you. Any questions? Leave them down, man. We'll be back with a tutorial, music video, vlog, something. Until then,